to a Butterfly. First poem by William Wordsworth. Stay near me, do not take thy flight. A little longer, stay in sight. Much confers do I find I thee, historian of my infancy. Float near me, do not yet depart. Dead times revive in thee. Thou bringest, gay creature as thou art, a solemn image to my heart, my father's family. Oh, pleasant, pleasant were the days, the time when in our childish plays my sister Emmeline and I together chased the butterfly. A very hunter did I rush upon the prey, with leaps and spring I followed on from brake to bush. But she, God love her, feared to brush the dust from off its wings.